Welcome to Trucker Life with a Gold Mount. Today I'm up in Illinois, Iowa, and it's snowing. I woke up this morning. It's about 3 to 4 inches of snow on the ground. Still expecting another 2 to 3 inches today. I've watched a trailer with double trailers on it get towed up a hill by looked like either a Silverado or I don't think it was a Dodge. It possibly could have been, but watched it pull it up the hill. I watched a crate truck driver get stuck at the entrance, and I also watched another trailer coming down the hill. I'm going to show you what the hill looked like. This hill that's right there in front of me. I watched a driver come down that hill and just slide all the way down until he actually turned in. My load isn't due until Monday morning at 6 o'clock, but I'm gonna have to see if I could go on and take off, or if I should just sit here. I watched these two trucks right here. This car hauler right there, and this other truck right there. I watched both of them turn around and come in off the highway. The one truck has smashed up his front. He has only one headlight, it looks like, and the other part of it is the front of it I really couldn't see, but it's kind of bad. So all you truckers out there today, stay safe. Stay safe on these roads. You know, if you feel like you can't make your load on time, then you might want to call your dispatcher and let them know, hey, I don't feel safe. This weather is worse than what it actually looked, and be safe out there on these roads. It ain't worth you losing your life to get some freight moved and in somewhere, and you can't watching this driver back here. He had me blocked in earlier. I don't think he actually know how to drive. But he looks to be in the brand new truck. Look like a Freightliner Cascadia. So all I'm gonna say is do what you gotta do. Be safe. Safe travels on this wintry day. And good luck.